$1000. If this is your budget to build the best gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you can buy under $1000. Now for the processor, I have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This one costs around $166. Now with that price, it's an excellent budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, I have chosen the MSI MPG B550. This one costs around $159. Now this motherboard have everything that you need. You will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, which is currently the fastest on the market. A super large heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then comes the main attraction of this build, the graphics card. Here we are using the XFX RX 6750 XT. This one costs around $409. Now this is an ultimate 1440p gaming graphics card. Not only that, you can even play games at 4K resolution. So this is basically a top tier graphics card in a mid-range price. Then for the RAM, we are using the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z DDR4 16GB. This one costs around $41. Now these are excellent sturdy RAM, comes with lifetime warranty, and these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM on the market. And for the SSD, we are using Western Digital Black 1TB. This one costs around $69. Now this is a PCIe Gen for supported NVMe SSD, which comes with up to 5000 Mbps read write speed, which is excellent for an SSD in this price. Then for the power supply, we are using the Corsair RM750E. This one costs around $99. Now top 3 reasons for choosing this power supply is: number 1, it is an 80+ gold certified power supply. Number 2, it is a fully modular power supply, so you can detach all the unnecessary cables, which means your cable management will be excellent. And number 3, this power supply comes with 10-year plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the casing, just buy whichever you like. It completely depends upon you. Now all those components will cost you around $1017. Thanks for watching.